Ban Ki-moon, Secretary General UNO, has convened the climate change conference. So I'll be heading the delegation. And there is back-to-back, 2 days before there is a major economic forum, meeting of the major economies forum. 3 months ago it was in Paris. Now this is built up for 2015 Paris COP. We are participating with a clear indication that we want the world to decide the right kind of a new regime which will have the principles and elements of Rio Plus and carry over from the Kyoto Protocol earlier regime. We are also interested in having the developed countries to take up ambitious target for 2015 up till 2020. But we are open to all ideas. We are open for a positive dialogue. And India wants to walk cleaner energy path and take up energy efficiency goals on our own conviction. We want a window for the country to develop. So the absolute emission will grow, but energy efficiency also will grow. And thereby the impact will be less. But now there is the real issue is the Green Climate Fund. Green Climate Fund has to materialize now. India will definitely bring this point on table in both the conferences. That Green Fund which was promised has yet not started. When I put up this idea in Nairobi very strongly, Germany has started acting and we welcome that. But other developed countries need to follow. Because Green Climate Fund can be used for two purposes. A, distribute it to the developing countries for adaptation and mitigation targets. But more importantly, if the critical technologies IPR are purchased through this fund, part funds, then definitely the developing world can have the critical technology free of cost in a way. And that is what is needed. Companies' profits are not important. The implementation of the latest technology is important. And the companies who have researched must be well compensated. But after all, a research which is welfare to the whole world cannot be only looked through the prism of profit. Our national mission for enhanced energy efficiency is striving to achieve 10,000 megawatt energy efficiency saving by 2020. And we are really going ahead on this. The new government's approach, be it in new smart cities, water conservation, air and water purification, are all drives in that direction, and even the emphasis on solid waste management. Ganga cleaning is the beginning of the whole mission. So cleaning our air, cleaning our water, and at the simultaneously waste management or energy generation from waste are all very important initiatives of India, which we want to showcase in these conferences also. So this is precisely, there are 2-3 things. On 21st and 22nd, there is Major Economy Forum meeting of 24 major economies in New York. After that meeting, on 23rd, there will be Ban Ki-moon conference on climate change. And on 24th, the Minamata Convention, India will also sign the convention because we want to take positive steps. So mercury to be eliminated completely. So we are agreeing to the international convention. And we are open for many new ideas which can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, ozone depletion, and help achieve the target of less than 2% increase of temperatures by the century, end of century. So we have already engaged with many countries. In last 3 months, I have interacted with more than 33 countries bilaterally. Many countries, delegations had come here, and in Nairobi and in Paris. In New York also we are holding meetings on the sidelines of the conventions. We'll have bilateral meetings with at least 10 countries in these 3 days. And therefore India is very positively poised for and wants to be a real contributor to the global efforts on climate change. But our earnest appeal is to the developed world that they must walk the talk. That's our appeal. And we'll put our viewpoint very effectively on the international forums. So that's actually precisely what I wanted to convey. I'm sorry there was a little bit of confusion about timing and about the nature of the press. I said when we are going as a curtain raiser, I must talk to you certain things. Yeah. Yes. हाँ हिंदी बता रहे. आने वाले सप्ताह में जो प्रमुख आर्थिक सत्ता है, ऐसे सारे 24 देशों का एक सम्मेलन न्यूयॉर्क में होने जा रहा है, जिसमें जलवायु परिवर्तन की चर्चा होगी और हर देश अपने तरीके से क्या काम कर सकेगा, क्योंकि हर देश को आखिर अगले साल अपना नक्शा बताना है कि हम क्या करेंगे. तो इसमें भी हम भाग लेंगे. उसके बाद 23 तारीख को यूएनओ के जनरल सेक्रेटरी बान की मून द्वारा आयोजित जो परिषद है जलवायु परिवर्तन के संदर्भ में, उसमें भी भारत का पक्ष रखेंगे. और फिर 24 तारीख को मिनामाटा कन्वेंशन के जो मर्क्यूरी के खिलाफ, क्योंकि दुनिया से एक प्रदूषणकारी तत्वों को अगर ख़त्म करना है तो एक व्यापक सहमति बनानी पड़ेगी और इस दिशा में उस संधि पर भी हम हस्ताक्षर करेंगे. ऐसे बैक टू बैक 4 दिन में 3 कार्यक्रम है और वो करके हम आएंगे. तो इसीलिए मैंने बुलाया था सबको. इसमें भारत की भूमिका एकदम साफ है. भारत चाहता है कि जलवायु परिवर्तन का सामना किया जाए लेकिन दुनिया की हर देश को उसमें सहभागी होना पड़ेगा। क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल में बड़े बड़े देश नहीं थे, तो फिर कोई मकसद नहीं होता। और इसलिए सभी देशों को अपनी जिम्मेवारी को निर्वहन करना चाहिए। और जैसे क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल में था कि विकसित देशों को एमिशन कट्स लेने चाहिए और ग्रीन फंड भी प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, और जो विकसनशील देश है, भारत भी उसी में आता है, और इसलिए इनका आज़ादी, इनके गरीबी के खिलाफ की लड़ाई को भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण महत्व है। और इसलिए इनके विकास जैसे बढ़ रहा है, बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, तब तक गरीबी ख़त्म नहीं होगी। और इसलिए एमिशन थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, लेकिन वो क्लीन एनर्जी पाथ खुद होके चले, और हम चल रहे। और ये बहुत सार्थकता से लोगों के सामने हम शोकेस करना चाहते हैं कि भारत अपनी राह कैसे, क्योंकि भारत की जीवन शैली ही ऐसी है कि जो जलवायु परिवर्तन का संकट निर्माण नहीं करती। लेकिन अभी जो प्रदूषण हुआ है, उसका सामना करने के लिए भी नए सरकार ने जो सोचा है, गंगा एक शुरुआत है, लेकिन पानी को शुद्ध करना हो, हवा को शुद्ध करना हो, वेस्ट की मैनेजमेंट करनी हो, बाकी सब तरह का प्रदूषण कम हो और सबके स्टैंडर्ड ऊपर हो, ये जो प्रयास भारत कर रहा है, और रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी और क्लीन एनर्जी पाथ पर जो चल रहा है, उससे भारत अपने कंट्रीब्यूशन को, दायित्व को संभालता है और दायित्व को पूरी तरह से जिम्मेवारी से निर्वहन करता है। ये भी हम दुनिया के मंचों पर बताएंगे। और मुझे विश्वास है कि जो रास्ता भारत ने अपनाया है, वो एक देश को समृद्ध करने वाला, लेकिन साथ ही साथ प्रदूषण को रोकने वाला और उसको एक मर्यादा में रखने वाला होगा। और जलवायु परिवर्तन के संकट की लड़ाई में, संकट के खिलाफ की लड़ाई में भारत की भूमिका भी कारगर होगी।
She was for some flexibility on the issue of common but differentiated responsibility, and she also made you well discuss the issue.
Every country, yeah. See, European Commission and every country has their own viewpoints, but one thing is sure, that there is historical factors responsible for the global warming today, and there is common but differentiated responsibility initiated in the Kyoto Agreement and reconfirmed in Rio principles, and therefore they become the cardinal principles. But as I said, India wants to talk and walk. We expect the developed world also should walk the talk.
जावड़ेकर जी अभी रिसेंटली महाराष्ट्र में भी किसी ने बताया था, उसके पहले भी हम लोग को बताया, उसमें हम लोग काम भी कुछ कर रहे हैं, कैटल से एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है। तो इस तरह के जो मतलब ट्रेडिशनल कहें या फिर अब मॉडर्न सेंस में नॉन ट्रेडिशनल कह सकते हैं सोर्सेज है, उनसे या साइकिल से भी थोड़ा एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होता है, जो इनोवेशन कुछ लोगों ने किया है।
नहीं, इसलिए
को कैसे आगे
एक पहले बहुत अच्छी एडवर्टीजमेंट आती थी, मुझे हमेशा याद रही कि 1 यूनिट सेव्ड इज 1 यूनिट जनरेटेड। तो दैट्स ऑल्सो एन अप्रोच। सो सेव एनर्जी, सेव वाटर, सेव एनवायरमेंट और ऑल पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन को हम बढ़ावा देंगे। पर्यावरण रक्षा के लिए जनता का आंदोलन और पर्यावरण जीवन शैली के लिए जनता का सहभाग, ये दो नए पुश होंगे कि जिससे लोग अच्छी आदतें डालें और एक जन आंदोलन बने पर्यावरण की रक्षा, सबका इंटरेस्ट हो। नदी शुद्ध, अपने गांव की नदी को साफ करने से लेकर गांव साफ सुथरा रहे, इससे लेकर सब कुछ है उसमें। और इसलिए बाकी जो इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन हो रहा है उसके लिए जो नॉर्म्स है, वो नॉर्म्स कड़ाई से हम एक एक क्षेत्र के कर ही रहे हैं। यानी उनको बिजनेस तो वो कर सके अच्छी तरह से, लेकिन पर्यावरण की कम से कम हानि हो, ये देखना है। और ये बैलेंस हम करेंगे.
Sir, to follow up on her question, the EU Commissioner, one of the things she said is that India should, not just India should, like there should be a renewed conversation on the differentiation. While she stresses that the European Union accepts that they have historical responsibility and the developed world should do more. But clearly the world has changed since the 1990s, and you need to be dynamic in the way you look at differentiation, while assuring or saying that it understands that India has need for growth. So, what is your understanding of this whole sort of talk of flexibility, and how do you see India responding to it? Because they clearly understand that we need to grow. It's not that space is.
I don't react to individual ideas, because everybody and every country has right to have their ideas. We want to work the whole climate change negotiations under the mandate of UNFCCC. When we start so many parallel platforms, that becomes also that adds to confusion sometimes. So we will stick to the main line of UNFCCC and will move on that accepted principles only.
Since 2005, we've had a couple of extreme weather events, the latest being, of course, the J&K floods. Several environmentalists and the IPCC talk about the fact that extreme weather events are indicative of climate change. Would you agree that this is part of climate change?
It's a science. See, nobody, we are not doubting, we are not scientists to tell whether incidence A is because of climate change or it's a pattern. If you look to the pattern of 100 years, if you look to the pattern of 1,000 years, if you look to the pattern of 10,000 years, you will have different experience and different explanations. But we are not going into that theoretical discussion. What we are saying today is that India is committed to walk the cleaner energy path. We are eager to make environment protection a public movement. And with these two new thrust areas, we are going with a positive framework and mindset to the world negotiations.
सर
UN सेक्रेटरी जनरल की जो समिट है उसको भी आप पैरेलल प्रोसेस की तरह देख रहे हैं?
नहीं, I am not describing each and every incident, but I have given you my broad indication.
Sir, but आप
Sir?
रेफ तो अटेंड कर रहे हैं, वो भी तो उस हिसाब से पैरेलल प्रोसेस ही है.
उसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं होता कि see, the agreement will be under always UNFCCC. So the COP Lima and COP Paris are important. But if world wants to discuss and at various places, no issue, but the agreement and the negotiations happen under one umbrella, and that's UNFCCC mandate, one mandate.
सर
Do you expect anything to come out of the Secretary General's summit?
No, let us see. I'll come and I'll again call you, and that time I'll come exactly 5 minutes before you arrive.
Sir, your government claims to have taken many steps towards climate change, but your government, on the other hand, has been on a forest clearance spree for last 3 to 4 months.
On the
Sir,
reforestation drive.
Sir,
We are on the
forest being a
reforestation
major
drive.
carbon sink, forest being a major carbon sink, is it not a contradiction?
I'm telling you.
That
See what we are doing. If we are taking decision on one project and say 100 hectares forest is affected, then 200 or 300 hectares of forest is created. So don't say this as a forest clearance. It's a reforestation drive which the government has taken up.
But it's not the same
So
thing.
it's not the same, na? If you cut down dense forest, you are not, no matter how much
No.
you plant, you can't get back that same
Not
forest.
necessarily the same thing.
and forests are the biggest carbon sinks.
Sir,
Hmm?
and how do you
Forest and ocean are the biggest carbon sinks.
Sir, how
Yeah,
do you-
and that's why we want to make it a public movement. See,
Sir,
we
just, sir, one addition to
One
that
minute.
question.
Abhi now, the Nagaland governor was here, and with him there were people, a group had come who have done tremendous work in Ratnagiri district. They have planted thousands of trees along the road, and after 7-8 years they are really grown up and have yielded tremendous result. Birds have come back, everything is there, the whole natural cycle is now working, and they have rejuvenated many small rivers also. So this is one good example, and there are such many examples where people are made aware of how they can help to retain the nature in its original shape. Nature also works and people also work. So that's the way forward.
Sir, are you planning to?
And wherever there is public participation, you listen very carefully that if people are involved, then afforestation happens, and then nature also takes on. And then if you stop even cattle going into the forest and graze, the forest grows automatically. You don't have to require separate plantation. It works naturally. So that's how we want to make people participate.
Sir, what are the changes you are bringing in the wildlife inviolate policy?
Wo that when that decision will be taken, we'll let you know.
पिछले पर्यावरण मंत्री जयराम रमेश ने कहा था कि रेफ्रिजरेंट गैसेस HFCs को हम लोग को अग्री करना चाहिए यूएस के साथ बैन करने के लिए। आपकी सरकार का इसके क्या विचार है?
नहीं, इसके हर एक का विचार होता है।
आपका विचार जानना चाह रहे थे।
हाँ, मैं बताएंगे। We will and will give you. See, there are couple of issues involved. We want any material which depletes ozone must go away. Any material, any substance which adds to greenhouse gas emission and global warming, that also must be done away. But the alternative has to be a reality. You can't negotiate in hollow vacuum. So there has to be a definite alternative, and there is a cost element to it. There is an IPR issue. So all these things are in the national interest. So we'll definitely talk about all this.
Are you also looking at promoting cycles? Because recently there was a program, Dr. Harshvardhan was also there, Terry had organized a program. So cycling promotes, apart from good health,
वो
good
तो लोग साइकिल ही चलाते हैं।
track नहीं,
हम
cycling-
छात्राओं को भी साइकिल देते हैं, छात्रों को भी देते हैं।
ट्रैक्स नए बनवाने के लिए इनिशिएटिव्स मतलब मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से भी की जाएगी।
एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री इज ए रेगुलेटरी मिनिस्ट्री, अदर मिनिस्ट्रीज वो वर्क करते हैं, वो तैयार करते हैं।
सजेशन देंगे कुछ?
नहीं, अच्छा है ना।
What
That's a
was
good thing.
whole issue of the
There is-
regulators?
Huh?
The environment regulator. What is the
So
reason?
by when?
You will just once we submit our affidavit in the courts, immediately we'll distribute you.
So one more thing.
Because otherwise also you will get it from the website.
Sir, one more thing. The other day you went to CII and you actually spoke about more stringent norms for diesel. Sir, is that in the works or is that just a plan? And
No, it's not a plan. We have already set up a timetable for enhancing the norms of petrol and diesel. Already, the earlier government was also planned for it. Now there is an effort to see whether this is feasible to bring higher norms for diesel also. Now, can we prepone the timeline? Because now the price differential between diesel and petrol is practically gone. It's all market regulated. So now norms can be upgraded much earlier than earlier planned. That's the only idea which is being discussed.
सर एक पॉलिटिकल
हाँ, पॉलिटिकल क्या? एक ही प्रश्न है आपका। अब ये महीने नहीं,
seat sharing
ये मैंने नहीं कहा कि आज मैं रात को जा रहा हूँ, ऐसा प्लान है क्या न्यूयॉर्क में जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन न्यूयॉर्क की फ्लाइट मुंबई जाती है कि ये मैंने नहीं कहा। Let's see. Let's see. नहीं, अभी ऐसा है, खुद अमित शाह जी भी आज मुंबई में थे, हमारे सारे नेता मुंबई में मौजूद है। मुझे लगता है विजडम विल प्रिवेल। शिवसेना शिवसेना थैंक
सीट शेयरिंग सुखद हो पाएगा सर?
alliance happens when there is a mutual compatibility, and alliance happens when it is mutually beneficial. This alliance has worked 25 years on both these counts. Now every party has to understand this.
हिंदी में सर।
नहीं, ये जो महाराष्ट्र का है तो हमारे सारे नेता वहाँ मौजूद है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो भूमिका है, जो वास्तविकता है धरातल की, वो स्पष्ट किया है। अब उसका क्या परिणाम आता है जल्दी 1-2 दिन में आपको समझेगा। मैं मानता हूं कि जो गठबंधन दोनों को फायदा पहुंचाता है और दोनों को उसका उपयोग हुआ है, तो इसके लिए अब शिवसेना का रूप क्या है वो मुझे अभी पता नहीं है, लेकिन जो भी होगा मैं मानता हूं कि अल्टीमेटली कोई अच्छा परिणाम निकलेगा। जो भी निकलेगा हम बताएंगे।
प्रकाश जी, who is the senior partner in Maharashtra? BJP? Who is the senior partner in Maharashtra? BJP or Shivsena?
No, that is the issue. It is not about senior partner. We are both partners.
Equal partners.
We are both partners.
नहीं, but संजय राउत तो वो कहते हैं कि देने का काम उनका है, मांगने का काम नहीं है।
नहीं, ये तो ये ऐसे में ऐसे इसका मैं जवाब नहीं देता कि कौन देने वाला कौन लेने वाला, ये नहीं। मतदाता देता है और हम सेवा के लिए तत्पर हैं, ये हमारी भूमिका है। अभी हम एनवायरनमेंट की बात कर रहे थे, ये कहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट आपने, आप एनवायरनमेंट को बिगाड़ क्यों रहे हो? एनवायरनमेंट को बिगाड़ो मत। क्या हमारा नहीं 100 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, वो तो 60 दिन के लिए ही लगता है ना कोई भी निर्णय होने पर, लेकिन उसका एक ड्यू प्रोसेस है। सी वी रिस्पेक्ट अटमोस्ट द प्रोसेसेस, वी रिस्पेक्ट अटमोस्ट द जुडिशरी, and we also take notes from comments of the press. Thank you.
One question. The army is doing some great work in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
But a bridge that is being constructed by the army, Omar Abdullah is cutting the ribbon. Omar
He's the-
Abdullah was cutting the ribbon for a bridge constructed by the army.
I think people have seen who has done what, and needs no political comment at this juncture. We are, देखो जम्मू कश्मीर के पूरे बाढ़ में पूरा भारत जम्मू कश्मीर के आपदा में जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ खड़ा है। ये बड़ा संदेश मिला है देश में, और जहां जम्मू कश्मीर में जो हुआ उसका जो भारत ने रिएक्शन दिया वो है, और दूसरी तरफ पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर की हालत जो है वो भी आप देख रहे हैं। तो इसलिए हमें लगता है कि पूरा देश जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के साथ, आवाम के साथ इस त्रासदी में रहा खड़ा और खड़ा रहेगा जब तक कि पूरा रिहेबिलिटेशन नहीं होता।